a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves, and we have another micro artisan. I believe this is episode 17. Got them back to back for you here. This is another one. I've had this for a while. I've shaved with the one I'm using right now. I also have both their offerings. I only have 2 offerings. Let's go ahead and get into it though. This is from Fanzine Saponifications. I had to go look. It's called Fanzine Sapone on their Etsy, but I'll have a link to their Etsy below. But here is, we're using, the soap is called This Is Not a Test. Man, I am digging their artwork so much, and their packaging was crazy good. They drew all over the inside of the box and everything. Just some amazing stuff. But the reason I'm finally doing a video on this is because they actually released splashes recently, and their bottles are pretty awesome. This is actually either, I don't think it's a sticker, it may be, but it feels like it's printed on there. And then they have a label on the back for the fragrance. These bottles are really nice. But I do have the splashes for both of their fragrances as well. The other one is called, it's on the other side of the store, Cravaggio, I believe is the name of it. This one is Sandalwood, Oak Moss, Lavender, Orange. And the Cravaggio is Vetiver. That's all I remember, sorry. Anyway, they both are amazing. I have not used Cravaggio yet. I was going to use it for the video, but something made me want to go back to this one again because I enjoyed it so much. Oh man, that is a beautiful fragrance. That is today's micro artisan. Let's get this shave going. For the hardware, I decided I'm going to start picking a razor and using it for a week at a time. So I'm finished with the Shield Gem, and I'm now going back to one I haven't used in a while and love it. And it is the Timeless Titanium TI-95 with the scalloped solid bar and scalloped top cap and the crown handle. Now I might change the handle out. I do have their barber pole handle as well, but we'll see. But for now I'm using the crown handle because it's one of my favorites. I actually use that handle on other razor heads as well. For the brush, because I kind of thought it matched their colors and stuff, I'm using my glow-in-the-dark brush that was made by True Till Death, and the pour was done by Daniel Mahoney at Shamrock Shaving Customs. Don't know if I have enough charge on it, but let's see. No, I don't. It's not glowing. Worth a try. So let's get the brush wet and get this brush loaded. And I am looking for this. We're going to do a head shave today. Excuse me. All right. Now, they are currently sold out of their soaps as of making this video, and they still have the splashes though. They do have a soap sample of Cravaggio. I'm not sure when they're going to be restocked, but keep your eye out on these guys. This is some fantastic stuff. Really good. Some of these newer micro artisans that we're finding and coming to light really are hitting the ground running right out the gates, man. Their stuff is like top notch immediately. I can only imagine what may happen as they try to improve. Pretty sure we have plenty of soap on there. Let me get this rinsed off. It's been very exciting using a lot of these new artisans that I've been doing lately. And I plan on keeping this series live as long as I can. I know I kind of fell off having it done for a while. I still have a ton that I purchased last year that I'm still going to get to as long as they're still in production and still making soaps. One of them was Dallas Soap Company. They no longer make the shave soap anymore that I think they just went straight to bar soaps and stuff, which is some fantastic products. But I may or may not still talk about them. We'll see. All right, let's get the glasses off and the head wet. And one reason I like to talk about them is because they are a Texas company. I think they still make one shave soap. They used to have this amazing one, but well, I'll get into it later if I make that episode. So anyway, I go off on tangents, right? All right, I have 24 hours growth on the head. Nothing crazy. I did get myself pretty good right back here the other day, but should be all right. All right. Here we go. Beautiful lather. I remember this stuff was so good. I only used it once, but I remember I was impressed with their lather and the performance. It's amazing, a lot of these new artisans, how strong their product is right out of the gate. But, you know, when you think about it, a lot of that is from all the trailblazing that our current larger artisans have done in the past. They've paved the road for a lot of these new artisans to come in, you know. So credit needs to be due to those that blazed the trail for other soap makers. Made things a little bit easier for them than back in the day when there wasn't the internet or things to make it easy to help make a soap. Let's get some more water on this. Oh man, this fragrance is so good. I do remember this being super slick as well. They, like I said, they package their product really well. They draw on the box and put some, you know, some neat art inside the box. And they also gave a button of this guy that's on there. And the button says, what was it? Something about big soap. I'll have to see if I can find it and put it up on the screen. I have it on my desk where I do my editing. I can't remember what it... Oh, it's on the back. Big soap is watching. Yeah, that's what it was. It's so their ingredient label is on the back, but that's kind of what the button is, except it was white. Big soap is watching. I thought that was funny. I'm gonna get some more water on this. Just super good lather, man. So happy to get this shave in. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. I need more water. Jeez. Thirsty. There we go. Just notice that side was really thick still. So here we go. Look at all that lathery goodness. All right. I'm excited to try their splashes. They are alcohol and witch hazel. Have not used them yet. And here we go. So this video is going to drop on Friday, Black Friday. But it is currently, at the time I'm recording this, it is currently Wednesday, before Thanksgiving. So I'm going to go ahead and hope everyone has a beautiful, wonderful family Thanksgiving get-together. Be safe. Tell me about it down below, how your Thanksgiving was. Some of you may have more than one. You might be having one on Friday. You never know. One of my favorite times of the year is Thanksgiving. And not just because of the deviled eggs, but that's a big part of it. Oh, and then my mom's dressing, stuffing, whatever you want to call it. We don't stuff a bird because there's always so much of it, so many of us, that we make a big pan of dressing. I have stuffed the bird though. So tell me something that is unique about your Thanksgiving. Oh, this is smelling so good. Something that maybe you haven't seen other families do. I'm trying to think if we have anything unique. So many of us get together in my family every year for Thanksgiving. There's usually about 20 to 30 of us that it's always like a big potluck, and it's always at lunch. It's never dinner. It's always been lunch as long as I can remember, because it's always a family get-together with everyone. Aunts, uncles, great aunts, great uncles, you name it. So we always do it at lunch. But since it's a potluck of sorts and everyone brings something, there's always everything. It's not just turkey. There's ham, sometimes there's brisket, sometimes there's tamales even. You name it, it's there. It's just a huge smorgasbord for Thanksgiving for us. But there's always the staples. Green bean casserole, stuffing and dressings. I think I just took the top off a bump. And of course, deviled eggs. You know, as a kid, I didn't like deviled eggs that much, but as I grew up, man, it is not Thanksgiving without deviled eggs for me. Love them. And no crazy, funky, weird, gourmet deviled eggs, just good old down-home southern deviled eggs. Yep, got that bump right there. Just took the top off. All right. A little cleanup on this side. I think that's got it. All right. So next week, beginning Monday, in support of Shave Dad, Mr. Jerry Plessy. If you haven't seen his post, go check his post out. But in support of Jerry Plessy, I am going to be dedicating all my shaves to Shave Dad. And I'm going to be using a different Shave Dad soap each day. I welcome you to join me. If you don't have enough Shave Dad soaps for the whole week, that is perfectly okay. Let me hit that with some alum, I think. Got it pretty good. That is okay. If you have at least one, use it. You don't have to use it every day. Just make one post during the week. Perfectly fine. You can dedicate any soap to Jerry. It doesn't have to be a Shave Dad soap. I'm just using Shave Dad soaps. But just, mark your post as in support of Jerry for Shave Dad week. Would be awesome if you joined me. Almost done here. And don't forget, if you have not joined the Shave Dad Facebook group, I will have a link to that group in the description. Give it a join. Amazing, amazing group. So much knowledge and community there, and always wonderful giveaways. Every week there's giveaways. All right. Fantastic shave. Let me get a rinse, come back up for the splash, my final thoughts. Be right back. Outstanding. Man, that's such good soap. As usual, it is everywhere. But that's okay. I am smelling great. All right, let's go for the splash. I really, really need to use the other one, but this one smells so good. Well, that cap is on there tight. There we go. Get a generous portion, just like for Thanksgiving. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. It's soaking in quick. Feels good. It is straight up what it says. Sandalwood, oak moss, lavender, orange. All very well blended and even. Nothing's poking its head out over the other. I'm not saying it's simple because it's blended so well, but it is a lovely, lovely fragrance that what you read is what you're getting. At least that's what I'm getting off this, and it's beautiful. Excellent, very well done. Fanzine Saponifications, guys. Check them out. If you do end up buying something, tell them a Texan Shave sent you. We'll find them on Etsy, as I said. I'll have the link below in the description. Hope everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I hope you're having an exciting Black Friday. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.